I'm Mark Scalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you another really cool vintage Honda Z50. This bike was restored and just finished in 2019. It was done by the same gentleman who did our 71 Honda Z50 Hertz Edition. This vehicle has been deemed the Punisher Edition. So it is just spectacular, it's show quality, it looks awesome, it runs awesome, it's just a really cool bike. Starting with the exterior, all of the green that you see was powder coated. It's actually a military style satin green finish. It's obviously been complemented with all of the tan components like the handlebars and the brake levers and the headlight ring and things like this. The gas tank was actually hydro dipped. It's kind of a camouflage theme here, along with the fenders as well, which looks really cool. The seat was upholstered with the green and tan that match all the exterior colors. Something you just don't see very often is a bike customized to this level. The headlight is in working order. When we do the video of it running, I'll actually turn the headlight on so you can see. It was frosted. It's got a little star here, which you can see a little bit better when the headlight is lit. It even has a custom license plate frame in the back that's camouflaged with a green bracket and a tan plate frame, and of course a Punisher decal there, a couple Punisher decals here, and a Punisher decal there as well. The motor is a 72 cc. The original motor was actually enhanced with a top-end kit, so it's got more power obviously than it did from the factory, but it is a numbers matching machine. The numbers on the frame and the numbers on the engine match the bike and everything else for the year. This particular bike here also has a mini guns exhaust, which sounds really, really cool. Again, just a super fun looking bike that I'm really proud of. For a complete description with tons of photos, you got to check out on our website at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start it and let you listen to how beautiful it runs.